Scanning for harmful apps on the Galaxy S24 helps ensure your device's security by detecting and preventing potential threats from malicious software. Here's how. First, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top to access the notification panel. Next, tap the settings icon in the top corner. Scroll down and select Security and Privacy. Then, go down and tap on App Security. Now, tap on Google Play Protect. Tap the Scan button to start scanning. Your phone will now begin checking for any harmful apps on your device. It will take just a few seconds to complete depending on the number of apps installed on your phone. If any issues are found, they will be displayed here. However, if there are suspicious apps on your phone that don't appear here, it's better to just uninstall it. To do that, tap and hold the app's icon until the menu shows. Then tap on the App Info icon. In the next screen, tap Uninstall and confirm you want to uninstall the app. And that's it. You've just boosted your phone's security. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.